I've been doing hair for approximately, I want to say it had to be at least 17 years or plus. I enjoy and I love doing hair. When I first started doing hair, I was always doing the crazy, funky, now ponytails, basket weaves. I was doing a lot of that hard hair when I first started doing hair. And I remember that I was always busy. Like when I say I was always busy from the beginning of the day all the way to the end of the day. But that's what made me happy, doing hair. I don't know, lifestyle change, things change, so you gotta go in a different direction. So I wanted to go in a different direction, which when I relocated to Atlanta, Georgia. I'm originally from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. That's where I first started doing hair. I relocated to Atlanta, Georgia. I want to say it was a couple years. It was years ago that I relocated to Atlanta, Georgia. I wanted to create something different, and I wanted to give people an experience. I want people to have a really great, high level of professional stylist taking care of them. I wanted them to have professional tools on their hair. I wanted to be able to educate clients about the health of their hair. So I created Salon Moraee. And it's been a journey. It's been a very, very great journey. It's been ups, it's been downs, it's been highs, it's been lows, but everything has been a learning thing to me. When I tell you, it's been so many times where I wanted to be like, no, left, right, but I enjoy and I love what I do. And that's why I keep going. I keep going and be able to be blessed with some of these talents. Do you see some of the team that I have? These talented stylists that they can go anywhere else, anywhere, and they want to work here in Salon Moraee. So it's just been a blessing to be able to have very, very great professional stylists. The ambience, using professional tools and being able to educate these clients on the health of the hair. I enjoy, when I tell you I enjoy, oh my goodness, I enjoy meeting all the people, everybody that I work with, everybody. It's been a blessing. As I grow, the people that's been with me, watching me grow, you kind of see the progress that I've made. Again, I'm not perfect, but I say everything that I have done has been just a blessing in disguise. Like seriously, everything that I've done. How did I get started with M2 Professionals? I'm gonna tell you. So I wanted to have some hair tools. I knew I wanted to have some hair tools, and I put all the little concept together about the hair tools. And I think I wanted something that was light on the wrist. I wanted something that was easy because again, you're doing hair. A lot of times you get the carpet tunnel and stuff like that. So I just had this idea and I put it together and I sent it to a manufacturer and they sent me back a rough draft of what my product would look like. And I was just blown away that I was like, oh my God, that I'm gonna create this. I'm gonna create this tool. I'm gonna put my all into it. I'm gonna give the clients, the stylists, a professional tool that they can use. But then I was like, what is gonna be the name? What is the name? Is it gonna be Salon Moraee Tools? Is this, what was it? All I am to professionals is because, again, the salon was the first thing that I did. It was a major accomplishment for me. And this is the second thing that I have done. That was a major accomplishment to me. So I wanted to call it M2. Salon the first, this the second. So M2 Professionals. Again, M2 Professionals. And the professionals for professional people, for professional stylists, for people that want to create a professional hairstyle and using professional salon tools. This is it. This is the M2 Professionals, and that's where the background of M2 Professionals. And I want to get out and show you what the tools look like outside the box. As you see that my hair is naturally curly now. The way I wear it is just curly. I hardly straighten it because I like wearing it curly. It's so easy. But when I do, these are the tools that I'm using in my hair. The great thing about this too is the adjustable temperature, so you can go up to 220 all the way to 450 for all different types of textures of hair. So right now I have this tube at a 430. I'm using this tube. My stylist took it and he just made it a little bit straight, and it created a bend in the hair, which gave me this nice, soft, flowy look. The great thing about these irons are that they're dual plates, so they give off a nice little shine to them. As you see, it's not stiff. And I'll kind of show you the sides.